Hello investors, this is a video on Webel Solar, a small cap company essentially into solar energy. This video is brought to you by Smart Investor. Subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. The company provides cost-effective solar energy solutions in the entire solar value chain for power generation with the sole aim of achieving grid parity by the virtue of enhanced energy efficiencies to create ecologically sustainable habitat and addressing India's energy security challenges, which will in turn contribute to meet the challenges of the climate change. The company has 280 megawatt of cell manufacturing capacity and 250 megawatt of crystalline fully automatic module manufacturing, has succeeded to achieve an efficiency of 20.1% in cells and 17.5% in module level, which the company is supplying. Websol has a track record of continual efficiency upgradation and to achieve number one position in the country in terms of technological upgradation and capabilities. This has helped to achieve magnificent growth while gearing up for future challenges and aiming towards a cleaner, greener and healthier future for all of us. The main features of the products of company are longevity. Websol's crystalline solar panels are made of first generation solar technology and have been around for a long time, providing evidence of their durability and longevity. The technology, installation, performance issues are all understood. Several of the early modules in 90s are still producing electricity today, with a slight drop off in efficiency of 0.5% on average per year. Websol's PV panels are able to convert the highest amount of solar energy into electricity of any type of flat solar panel. Consequently, Websol's crystalline panels are a great choice for urban settings or where space is limited. The advantages of solar panels of Webel are: the cost of solar panels is typically around 60% of the cost of a fully installed solar power system, with installation being a significant cost component. Other low efficiency technologies, panels actually need more electrical, mechanical and civil components and take longer to install, adding to the overall cost of the system. A corollary of the durability and longevity of this type of solar panel is that in areas where there is an established record of performance, clients were able to obtain easy bank financing for their projects, which is certainly a big reason why EU has a large installation base of our solar panels. 1 year performance of Webel is given in this chart. Company's share was trading around 50 levels and it has gone up to 140 levels, giving investors a return of 217.77. The 6 months performance of Webel has given investors a return of 103.06% from around 80 levels. The scrip has crossed 160 and now currently trading around 140 levels. Long-term investors can look at buying the scrip around current levels or on declines and hold for a period of 1 year to get a decent returns. Thank you.